Alright, we're back for the cashers round this morning. We're bowling 6 games. It's a little different than the last few Storm Cup events. We bowl 6 games, cut to the top 12, then another 6, and then they cut to the show. So we're currently in 11th. Scores are really tight, on the bottom at least, so we gotta get off to a nice start, and then hopefully we'll be bowling another 6 later on. Of 220s on the board, but with how everyone else is bowling, that's not very good. So hopefully we're a back out bowler. I was 1 spot out after 2. After 1. I'm probably a couple spots out after 2. I guess we're playing the let the lanes come to us, because urethane has not been our friend lately. At least not this one. Holy, we popped off a little 780 bomb at the end, and I think we're pretty close to the show. We were in the show with 1 to go, and bowl 230, so we're sitting in a really good spot going to the next block. But bonus! Alright, here we go. Round of 12. We're currently the number 4 of the show. I'm going to do my best to just keep my head down and bowl, because that typically works out pretty well. But I just screwed us for the drive. So hopefully I make the most of it. 700 the first 3 in a not so good game 3. We're in the show, 3 to go. Got 3 games that are reactive, or urethane actually. Haven't been able to do that all tournament, so I'm gonna take that as a plus. I think I made the show. It starts at 6:30. We have an 11-hour drive, and I was kind of like, whatever happens, happens. You know, if I don't make the show, we can leave. If I make the show, well, I made the show. I'm sorry.
Ball go. He throws the ball. How about Darren? Let's see, Darren from Las Vegas. He's used to some noise and excitement.
One down, 1 to go. 2 to go. 2 to go. Well, that's it. Story ends. 3rd place. I'm pretty happy about how I bowled. Felt really good. I felt like I won that game. Played pretty good. Just the pins didn't fall my way this time. I made 1 bad shot. One of the 9th was very grabby and over the top, but I did everything I wanted to do in that frame except come over the top. That we never want that. But we now have an 11-hour drive, so silver linings, we saved a little bit of time. 11 and a half. Mikey's gonna take the first shift. Chris is gonna take the second. Yep. And then I'm gonna take the graveyard shift. So hopefully we don't have any exciting things happen to us like the last drive.
The weather's perfect.
The weather is very nice right now, so hopefully it stays somewhat similar to this. But thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. You know, we're moving forward. Love to see it. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow the boys on social media. We'll see you at the Masters.